Have you ever struggled with inconsistent oven temperatures, leading to burnt edges and undercooked centers? Traditional trays can handle temperature fluctuations, making baking unpredictable. Now, meet the Titanier titanium oven tray. It keeps temperature fluctuations within plus or minus 5 degrees Celsius, ensuring even heat distribution. Titanium's superior heat stability helps your oven stay consistent, reducing overbaking and raw spots. Titanier's ultra-efficient heat transfer speeds up cooking by 20%, delivering perfect texture and flavor. Whether it's a crispy pizza, a juicy steak, or a perfectly soft cake, every bite reaches its ideal state. Our innovative groove design channels away excess oil and moisture, keeping food crisp and delicious. Less food residue, easier cleaning, and better health. With CNC precision processing, it retains its perfect form even under drastic temperature changes. It's not just for baking. Titanier serves as a grill, steamer, cutting board, and even a serving plate, offering true versatility. Made from food-grade GR2 titanium alloy, free from heavy metals or chemical coatings, ensuring healthy baking. Our modular design offers versatility. The 10x 13.5-inch tray is compact and easy to move, and 2 trays can be combined for a larger surface, all while staying lightweight and easy to handle. Titanier multifunctional titanium oven tray. Everyone cooks better food.
The Nostalgia Portable 4-cup heated lunchbox reinvented the daily meal routine by offering a self-contained heating solution for professionals, students, and travelers. Unlike traditional lunch bags that only insulate, this device uses a built-in 80W heating element to actively warm your food to a satisfying temperature. Its 4-cup stainless steel interior is spacious enough for hearty portions of chili, stir-fry, or pasta, while the dual locking lid system ensures that even liquid-heavy meals remain spill-free during transport. Designed with convenience in mind, it features a detachable power cord and a foldable handle, making it easy to carry and store. By simply plugging it in an hour or so before lunchtime, you can enjoy a steaming hot meal directly from the container, bypassing the weight and potential hygiene concerns of communal kitchen appliances.
The extra-large ceramic surface with removable handles combines to make this electric griddle the ultimate in convenience. The premium ceramic surface is textured to enhance non-stick performance for easier cleaning and stick-free cooking. A slide-out drip tray makes for quick cleanups. And with heat control removed, the griddle is fully immersible. The 22-inch ceramic electric griddle with removable handles from Presto.
The Cuisinart 4-slice Belgian waffle maker is a kitchen essential for anyone who takes breakfast seriously. Designed to churn out 4 deep-pocketed golden brown waffles at once, it features non-stick coated plates that ensure your meal slides right off without a struggle. With 5 browning levels and a ready-to-bake, ready-to-eat indicator light, it takes the guesswork out of achieving that perfect balance of a crisp exterior and a fluffy center. Its sleek, brushed stainless steel finish makes it a stylish countertop mainstay rather than a hidden cupboard relic.
The Tefal Instant Hot Water BR3508 is a game changer for anyone who values speed and precision in the kitchen. Moving beyond the traditional kettle, this dispenser provides hot water in just 3 seconds, heating only what you need to save both time and energy. It features a 2-liter tank and a sleek, compact footprint that fits effortlessly on any countertop. With 6 temperature levels, from 70 degrees Celsius to 95 degrees Celsius, and 4 volume presets, it caters perfectly to different beverages, whether it's a delicate herbal tea or a large French press. The adjustable drip tray accommodates various mug sizes, while the built-in descaling alert ensures long-term performance. It is the ultimate fusion of modern convenience and energy efficiency.
The Tefal Eversharp Fundamental 5-piece lifestyle set is a game changer for home cooks, designed to solve the age-old problem of dull blades. This innovative system features a unique self-sharpening block that automatically hones the edge of each knife every time it is removed or replaced, ensuring razor-sharp precision for every cut. The set covers all your culinary bases with 5 essential tools: a chef's knife, bread knife, santoku, utility knife, and paring knife. Crafted from high-quality German stainless steel, these durable blades are paired with ergonomic handles for comfort and control. Safe, smart, and stylish, it promises a lifetime of effortless slicing without the maintenance. The Nostalgia 0.7 cubic foot retro microwave brings a delightful splash of 1950s diner style to your countertop without sacrificing modern convenience. Its eye-catching design features a sleek finish, a distinctive oval window, and chrome handle accents, making it a standout decor piece for dorms, offices, or small apartments. Despite its compact size, it delivers 700 watts of power to quickly cook and reheat meals. The user-friendly interface combines a retro aesthetic with a digital LED display and a simple turn and push control dial. Equipped with 12 pre-programmed cooking settings, including options for popcorn, pizza, and veggies, plus a handy delay timer, this microwave ensures that convenient cooking can still look fabulous.
Streamline your kitchen waste management with the Tower 45-liter recycling pedal bin. Designed for eco-conscious households, this durable unit features 3 separate 15-liter compartments, allowing you to easily segregate glass, plastic, and general waste in one compact location. The hygienic hands-free pedal mechanism ensures you avoid touching the lid while cooking, while the color-coded sections make organization effortless for the whole family. Crafted from sturdy stainless steel with removable inner buckets for easy emptying, this bin combines functionality with a sleek aesthetic to keep your space tidy.
The Steelcraft set, featuring a 30cm frying pan and a 28cm wok with cover, is a powerhouse duo for modern kitchens. Built with a robust tri-ply honeycomb structure, these pans offer the searing power of stainless steel with the effortless release of nonstick. The expansive 30cm pan is perfect for family-sized proteins, while the deep 28cm wok excels at high-heat stir-frying. Both are induction-compatible, scratch-resistant, and oven-safe, providing professional-grade durability for home chefs who demand precision and easy cleanup.